Setting up sales and CRM in Odoo. Convert leads into revenue. Want to turn more leads into sales faster? Odoo's sales and CRM apps help you track every opportunity from first contact to closed deal, all in one place. Today, we'll show you how to set up and optimize CRM and sales in Odoo for your team. Let's get started. Capturing and managing leads. Start in the CRM module. Capture leads manually via web forms or email aliases. Assign them to a specific salesperson. Add tags, notes, and expected closing dates. Odoo can even convert emails or form submissions directly into leads. No extra tools required. Tracking opportunities in pipelines. Use pipelines to track deals visually. Customize your sales stages. Drag and drop opportunities between columns. Add next activities like calls, meetings, and follow-ups. You'll always know what's next and who's responsible. Configuring the sales module. Jump into the sales module to start selling. Add your product and service catalog. Set tax rules, price lists, and payment terms. Create quotations and convert them into sales orders. Odoo links everything: your quote, stock, delivery, and invoice, automatically. Sales forecasting and reporting. Monitor team performance and forecast future revenue. Track won-lost ratios. View expected revenue by closing date. Analyze data by salesperson, stage, or source. Use this to guide goals, plan promotions, and align with marketing. Automate and collaborate. Add automation to save time. Automatically assign leads based on region or product. Send personalized follow-ups. Create smart alerts and reminders. And with real-time chatter, your team can collaborate right inside each deal. Conclusion. With Odoo Sales and CRM, you can capture and qualify leads, track deals visually, generate quotes fast, forecast smarter, and close more with less effort. Ready to supercharge your sales team? Like this video. Share your CRM experience below. Subscribe for more sales tutorials.